Thanks, Tyler Frost, for the nomination to the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. It's a cause that I'm really familiar with and that I donate to on a regular basis, and I am more than happy to participate today. At first, I was just going to make the donation and kind of slough off the water bit because I don't like getting cold and it's a little inconvenient, and hey, I feel like I'm really busy all the time. But then I realized, and I was reminded earlier today, that the reason to do this is because you can. You have the strength to lift the bucket, your body will regulate your temperature once you're done, and hey, it's alright to have a little fun along the way. Earlier this summer I lost a very good friend to ALS, so this one's for you, Drew, because I can. Up over the head. So in turn, I nominate Scott Stratton, Adam Schwartz, and Elliot Rowe. You guys have 24 hours. Get it done, because you can. Love you and miss you, Drew.